customer is looking to get an estimate to have some patios put in her front yard. So there's going to be a plan that I send with. And it's going to be kind of a circle over here and a circle over here. We have got 3 steps that are going to be coming down in this area. It's going to be irregular bluestone, and we have to build a wall. It's hard to see from this point of view, but there's a wall that's going to be holding it up. And wherever it's not a tall wall, it's going to be probably in this area right here for maybe 10 feet. It's maybe going to be 8 inches tall. It's not, I mean, with a pitch, it's not tall at all. But then where it starts to meet up with the ground, we're going to transition over to, we're going to keep putting wall stone around to kind of frame in the whole area. So that's going to be around this whole side over here. It's going to have, even though there's a wall for, let's say, 20 feet of it, there's going to be 20 feet of actual wall. The rest of the area is going to be basically edge rock. The same is, not quite the same is going to be true over here. This is, so you can see where there are steps going in. There's going to be a wall over here as well. It's going to be, once again, 6 to 8 inches tall, just because the slope. And where the wall is situated here, it's not as far down as this. It's actually further up the hill. So that's why there are 3 steps here, but we're only at 8 inches because we're coming up the hill. And it's going to come around here, and she has a walkway going through here. The wall stone is going to end at that walkway right here. So these are going to be steppers going through here. Let's call it between 30 and 36 inches wide. We're going to use irregular fond du lac. And we're going to show her the difference in price between polymeric sand and granite dust in the joints. We also have a step over here that she wants the price difference between veneer and having it built. I told her it was a bad idea to veneer it because it's in bad shape. But she said the previous 2 people that have come, including Joel, by the way, said, yep, not a problem, they can do it. So I don't like it, but whatever. We'll have to. You see that it has this little lip here. We're gonna have to fill it in, lath it, and then I have zero confidence in it. I told her that I can't warranty the step that's made like this, though I can warranty a step that I build. So I do have a copy of the area here. Yeah, she made me a copy of the area. It's 1/8 inch equals a foot, just as a point of reference, and I'll scan that so that way it's an equal computation. It is 16 feet, just as a measurement. It's 16 feet from the tree to the front step here. So you can see that the tree on the drawing, the tree on the drawing is this blacked in area, and the step is right here. So 16 feet, and it should be exactly 2 inches between the two. So if that helps you to get a measurement as well. So access. This is the parkway. Dilly's is 2 houses over this way. Access is going to be from down there. We can take out a section of fence and make our way up. There's a couple trees that we'll have to drive in between, but we should be able to get in between them. And it's over 6 feet space down below, and you can see it right here. This is the area to come through. So the material, like I said, is irregular bluestone. It needs to be cut tight. She wants a tight cut patio. And then the treads here are going to be made out of bluestone as well. I mean, these are probably currently 5 feet. We'll go according to whatever's in the drawing over there, or in the drawing. The wall stone is going to be Chilton and weathered edge Chilton is how we're going to bid this, though it may change. It may change later. So, but that should at least get us going pretty good. So, the walkway that she wants. Oh, I forgot to grab that. So it is, you can measure to where it is on the fence. So if you see the fence is right here, all right, it's going to actually go beyond where it's drawn in there. It's going to go to her back patio. And let me just get you a quick gauge on that. So it's going to go the rest of the way here. That's going to be about 25 feet. 25 feet from gate to the back fence there. So, and once again, It's going to be irregular. It's going to be irregular bluestone, and she's going to want it to have either river rock or trap rock dresser swept around it, and then also, however wide it is, she wants to have some sort of metal edging that frames it all in, like the neighbor has. She said it doesn't need to be ridiculously expensive by any means, but she does want. So we need to put in edging first to create the width of it. So we'll create the width at, let's say, 36 inches, and then we'll put between 30 and 34 inch wide stone in between, and then sweep in, and then put in the appropriate fill. Whether it's, I told her the different, or whether it's dresser or like a river rock, like a pebbly river rock, to go in there. So, yeah, I think that should be it. I'll scan that image and send it over as well.